Thank you for joining me. This is the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. I'm doing your solar chakra reading for our Wednesday theme. And this is going to be a little 3-card reading. We will have a central card for the actual chakra, and then one to represent the inner earth chakra and the soul chakra. And these other 2 ones will come in to help evolve the frequency of the original solar chakra. So our first card is going to be from the Earth Warriors Oracle. And I think that we have the same one that we had last week. So this must be a very important message that we need to hear. It is blessing of Kumu. No good thing shall be withheld. When you are a dreamer, a visionary, and a seer of the need for transformation in our world, it can be easy to feel intimidated, to dismiss the possibility for radical change as unrealistic, to believe that the greatest of our visions are unattainable in the real world. However, many things that were once considered to be impossible to the human mind are now part of our daily lives. The impossible becomes possible on a regular basis. Kumu is the Hawaiian term for teacher and source of wisdom. The universe is the great Kumu. When we trust in the universe, we come to understand certain truths, including the realization that we don't have to be limited to what we logically know. If we are willing to expand our faith, then that which we are capable of experiencing in harmony with the universe will also expand. Alongside this message is solutions from the Crystal Grid Oracle. Here we have solutions and discovery, a grid resembling the medicine wheel, which is based on the 4 directions and which many cultures around the world use. Each direction may be meditated or journeyed upon, depending on what you are in need of answers to. Hyper's theme will illuminate the way for you, while you are also being an anchor to the earth. Remember, there are always many directions you can take in life, and each will have its own lessons. This stone is very calming and grounding. It also illuminates the way forward. One must always make decisions in this manner, being calm and grounded. Yellow mica is also there to aid you in your problem solving. You may wish to place this card in a specific direction of the medicine wheel and meditate on it to gain insight into an issue you are needing guidance with. Or you may wish to discover what each direction on the wheel has to offer. Hyper's theme has a beautiful inner sheen that reminds us about our own inner reflection. What you receive in this world is a reflection of your inner self. See the beauty of who you are within, and you will begin to see the beauty of the world around you. Discover who you truly are on the inside, and you will find many answers to your question in life. Call in the help of the stone to protect you from the outside stressors so you can find your calm and solutions. And we have trust from the Blue Messiah. In this time of transitioning on Mother Earth, It is vital that you stay aligned with your inner truth and trust in your own inner knowing and guidance. Should you find yourself being overshadowed by the judgment and criticism of others, send them love. Detach compassionately from their illusions, opinions, and beliefs, which serve only to limit your expansive, true nature. There is no need to validate or justify your reasons for being on the path that you are on, dear one. There is also no need for validation from others that you are on the right path. Trust yourself, dear soul, and trust your heart's compass to steer you in the direction most aligned with your truth. It is this path that will allow you to progress and open doors to opportunities, creativity, clarity, and guidance. Raising your vibration, you naturally open up to the higher frequencies of love. You are a magnificent, empowering soul. Remember always, dear one, that all the guidance that you could ever need lives within you. Stay true to your principles and always trust your inner guidance. I am guided by the light of truth burning bright within my soul. Thank you for sharing these messages with me today. I will have the heart chakra available tomorrow. Blessed be.